into sales. So for the past 10 years, from the year 2000 to 2010, I've been working in a forwarding company as a corporate sales account manager. But noong 2010, I decided to leave the corporate world because I gave birth dun sa first child ko and decided to concentrate and to be a full-time mom. Actually, it was really a tough decision for me, knowing that mas malaki yung ini-income ko sa corporate world before compared sa husband ko. Pero I decided to be a full-time mom and full-time in V-Mobile because of one reason lang talaga. To be hands-on sa baby ko. Kasi kung ipapaalaga ko siya sa yaya o sa ibang tao, I think hindi mamamatch talaga yung pag-aalaga ng isang ina sa anak niya. Siguro lahat ng work o lahat ng business hindi naman magsa-start na madali. Okay? Walang nag-start ng madali and then all throughout madali. So, syempre talagang mahirap siya at the same time. Kasi being a full-time mom, a wife, and also having a business at the same time, it's not an easy task na pagsabay-sabayan siya. You really have to budget your time every day. Like, pwede mo muna kasi asikusuhin si baby during daytime bago mo siya gawin yung business. Kumbaga, hindi talaga siya madali, pero sa lahat ng mahirap, ito na yung pinakamadali. Lagi tumatatak sa isip ko, sa business na ganito, ang pinakamadaling gawin talaga, mag-quit. Pero at the same time, kung mag-quit ka, pinakawala mo lahat yung pangarap mo. Kasi lahat naman tayo nangangarap magkaroon ng time and financial freedom. Pero siguro isang pinaka-the best na quote o pinaka-the best na nagbigay sa akin ng inspiration to move on is yung quote na binigay ng husband ko sa akin. Sabi niya is, why you always give up every time there is a rejection? But look at Jesus. He never gives up on us every time na lagi natin siyang nire-reject. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan. Somebody told me na, you joined lang naman networking kasi it's all about pera-pera lang. Pero in reality, hindi nila naiintindihan is we are aiming sa ganitong business is to have time and financial freedom na kasama mo yung family mo. Bakit ko nasabi yon? Ang kapalit nun is, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, aanhin ko yung title na manager o malaking sweldo in a corporate job kung hindi ko naman maaalagaan ng anak ko. Ang gusto ko lang i-point is, lalo na sa mga mommies out there na naglulong to be a full-time mom, maalagaan ang anak nila, may chance talaga malaki. It's just that, ang ma-advise ko lang, kailangan nyo lang you have faith and courage to do that. No matter what yung mga tao, kung ganong panira ang sinasabi about V-Mobile, about sa pagkatao mo, minsan downgrading na talaga. Pero ang key lang dito, isipin mo, pag tumigil ka, lalo mo lang pinatunayan sa kanila na sila ang tama at ikaw ang mali. So by continuing the business and showing your results to them na meron talagang nangyayari sa buhay mo, that's the best thing na pwede mong ipakita sa tao na you made the right choice in doing V-Mobile, not by being an employee and mawawalan ka na halos ng time para sa family. To be honest, ang pinang-invest ko dito in joining the business is last money na naming mag-asawa sa bank. Ang pera na lang namin that time is only 12,000 pesos and I invested that during the time way back 2011. Nung pag-uwi ko, 36 pesos na lang yung laman ng bank account namin. Hindi ko alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari. One thing lang ang objective ko, to take care of my child and earn at the same time. Hindi ko na nilong na lumaki pa yung sweldo. Hindi ko kailangan ng manager na title. In reality, V-Mobile taught me that more than the manager na title, mas maganda palang tawagin ka as a mentor ng libo-libo mong mentors.